How to answer questions on Sendit Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can answer your Sendit questions on your Snapchat. Now the process is actually quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. For this, suppose you have sent a poll to your friend and they have answered the question and now you want to re-answer them, or someone has sent you a question and now you want to answer them. Simply open up your Sendit app. Now if you sent someone a question and they have texted you back or they have answered you, if you open up your app here, you'll get an interface like this. Simply tap on the inbox option, and if they have answered you, you'll find it here on the inbox. Once here, what you want to do is you want to open up the inbox here, and you can see it'll open up. Now in my case, I don't have such options, but if you want to see who sent it, you can see you'll need to have the premium. However, I don't have it. Now what you want to do is you want to tap on the answer option at the bottom of your screen here. Simply tap on answer and you can enter your answer here and you can send it. You can simply tap on answer and you can answer it. You can see it'll load up your Snapchat here, and once you send it, you can create a quick picture here and you can see the answer has been applied there and you can send it. This is the way you can answer questions on Sendit Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.